Surat AlBaqara is the surah of restoring life to anything that is dead. It restores life back to your body, your mental health, your physical health. Anything that is dead in you, it wakes it up again. It revives your faith, your health, and it restores your mental well being. And this power is due to the narration of around 7 stories and 7 scenes of returning life to death inside Surah Al-Baqarah. The first story is the story of breathing life into Adam alayhi salam, and the story of liberating Bani Israel from the oppression of Pharaoh, and this refers to liberating them from despair, and the story of the cow, when a part of it was a reason for returning life to a dead person, and the story of the death of Bani Israel when they expressed their desire to see Allah directly, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala struck them with a thunderbolt, and then He revived them again after their death. And the verses of the martyrs who get killed for the sake of Allah, and they stay alive but we don't perceive it, and the story of Musa alayhi salam and the resurrection of people who were brought back to life after they were killed, and the question of Ibrahim to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala when he asked him, how do you return the life back into the dead? And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala showed him the scene of the birds. All of these were affirmations about the intensity of the word ihya, revival, inside Surah Al-Baqarah. And when we keep repeating them on a daily basis, you will get the influence of restoring anything that was dead in your life.